交给警方去处理吧。
Look, can't just go to the police and begin explaining everything to them. We don't have time for that. And besides, they hold Mickey and everybody else. You should have heard what Toby said. They want to give his sister's liver to that freaking maniac. Eddie, we need your help.
我也在停止审查中，我没有执法权。
I understand, but this is a matter of a very high importance. We could really use one more person.
杨警官，从你来这儿开始，你给大家做了很多事情，可是终于你得到了什么？那些被你救出的人，反过来背叛你，真的很抱歉，我帮不了你。